In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Workforms in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to create a board, add a form view, customize it to match your brand, and share it so that submissions flow straight into your workspace. Start by heading to your Monday.com. Home. From the left-hand menu, open Workspaces. This is your hub for organizing everything. Keeping related boards and forms together makes life easier later on. Now, click the plus sign to add something new. You'll see options like board and folder. You can preview the board option to understand where your information will live, but for today, let's keep things tidy by creating a folder first. With your folder in place, click board to add a new board inside it. This board will store every submission your form collects, which means each form entry will create an item row with the fields you define. Once you're on your new board, look to the top and click the plus sign to add a view. Choose form. This creates a work form linked directly to your board. Next, click Edit Form to start shaping what people will see and what data you'll collect. In the editing area, update the form details. Give it a clear title and a short description that tells people what the form is for and how long it takes. Add the content you need by including the fields that map to your board's columns, things like text, numbers, status, or dates. Keep labels concise, group related questions, and mark critical fields as required to maintain data quality without overwhelming your audience. Switch to the design section to refine how your form looks. Use formatting to adjust layout, spacing, and readability so it feels effortless to complete. Then move into customization. Here you can align the style with your brand. Colors, fonts, and visual accents that make your form familiar and trustworthy. If you want to go a step further, use the option to extract design style from your website. This pulls your site's look and feel into the form, creating a consistent experience for respondents. When you're satisfied, click Share Form. You'll get options to distribute it, such as a direct link or embedded view, so people can start submitting. Every response will appear as a new item on your board, ready for tracking, automation, and collaboration with your team. That's it. Your work form is set up, styled, and ready to share. Follow these steps each time you need a clean intake process that routes data exactly where you want it.